Hello! Today we draw a sunny beach. Let's look what we need. We need a cup of water, 2 brushes, big and small, paints, and a paper. Now let's start. I take blue paint and white paint. So I mix them. I need light blue color. I mix white and blue. Light blue. Light blue color. Now I paint the top of the paper like this. Oops. Paint the top of the paper like this. More light blue paint and this is the sky. The sky is light blue. Wow, great! Now let's draw the sea. I take blue paint, darker blue. Draw a line. This is the horizon. Paint the sea with waves. Left and right. Need a little water. Wave your brush. Splash, splash, splash. More water. Wow. This is the sea. So, I love the sea. More blue paint here and here. Great! Now we are going to draw the beach. We need yellow and brown. This is the sand. Wash your brush. We need yellow and brown. This is the sand. So let's open the paint. And let's paint the bottom of the paper yellow sand, warm sand. Mix yellow color and water. Now let's paint the bottom of the paper. Carefully and slowly This is yellow sand. More paint. Add some water. Great. Now add some brown lines like this. One, two, three. The sand is soft. It's a big beach. Now let's draw the sun. A big yellow circle in the sky. Use a lot of yellow paint. So take a brush, dry it, a big yellow circle, big yellow circle, and paint this circle. Yes, like this. It's very good. Summer day with the sun in the sky. Great. The sun has rays. Long rays, short rays, yellow rays everywhere. It's a hot, sunny day. Rays. The sun has rays. Even long rays and short rays. Add some more paint in this circle. Great. Now take white paint. Let's make clouds, fluffy clouds. Let's take white paint and let's make clouds, fluffy clouds. One and two. Just hit your paper with the brush. Maybe here. Okay. So just tap, 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 tap. Use your brush. Tap, 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 tap. They look like cotton candy. Now the birds. I take a black paint and a small brush. Take a little black paint. So, draw birds in the sky. They look like the letter V. Fly, birds. Good. Fly, birds. Fly. 1, 2, and 3 birds. Good. Let's draw a ball, a red ball on the beach. I take water. I mix water with the paint. Now I draw a circle on the sand. This is the ball. Oh, it's better to take small brush. Circle. This is the ball. Good. You can take a black marker and draw a crab. So, draw an oval. And now the crab has 2 big claws. Snap, snap. The claws go snap, snap. The crab has legs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the claws. Good. And the crab has 2 eyes. He has funny eyes. And a smile. You can take a marker and color the crab. Take a white marker and draw the crab's eyes like this. So wow, let's look at our summer picture. The sun is shining, the sea is blue, and the beach is warm. Great job! You are a super artist. Thank you for drawing with me. Wait, let's add more magic. Let's look at the sand. I have flip-flops. They're 2 ovals with curvy line. And look at the ball. I've added some stripes. Now it's very bright. And flip-flops. Also, I have a green bucket and a shovel. I'll color it. Okay, it's green bucket. We can make a sand castle. Okay, that's great. And now I'll draw a shovel like this. Oh, it's good. You can draw anything you like. So this is our summer day. Thank you for drawing with me. Bye bye.